The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the epitome of excellence in consumer drones, designed to meet the exacting standards of professional photographers, videographers, and cinematographers. Its standout feature is the formidable triple camera system, comprising a 4/3-inch CMOS Hasselblad camera alongside a pair of telephoto lenses, enabling users to capture breathtaking imagery in diverse settings. The Hasselblad camera delivers exceptional performance, capable of shooting in 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, with a variable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, and boasting a 10-bit D-Log color profile for unparalleled color grading flexibility. Further enhancing versatility, the dual telephoto lenses offer optical zoom capabilities of 3 times and 7 times respectively, ensuring sharp and detailed shots even from a distance. In addition to its imaging prowess, the Mavic 3 Pro excels in flight endurance, boasting an impressive maximum flight time of 43 minutes, among the longest in its class. Safety is prioritized with omnidirectional obstacle sensing utilizing 8 vision sensors and 2 time-of-flight sensors, while the 15 km HD video transmission capability ensures a robust connection between the drone and controller. With advanced intelligent features such as focus track, master shots, and quick shots, alongside automated flight modes like waypoint flight and cruise control, the Mavic 3 Pro streamlines aerial content creation. Available in standard and cine versions, this drone represents the pinnacle of aerial photography and videography technology, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike.